Are you ready for a marketing revolution? Or are you about to be disrupted out of a job? Today, we're diving deep into a tech wave that's promising hyper-personalization, but also raising serious questions about the future of marketing. Hightouch just secured a massive $80 million Series C funding round, valuing them at a staggering $1.2 billion. But this isn't just about money. It's about a fundamental shift in how retail marketing operates. The question is, will this AI-powered future empower marketers or replace them? Hightouch, a company specializing in composable CDP and AI decisioning, just closed this impressive funding round led by Sapphire Ventures. This investment is primarily aimed at accelerating the adoption of their AI decisioning product. Think of it as an AI assistant that helps marketers pinpoint specific business goals and then automatically delivers tailored, one-to-one customer experiences to achieve those goals. Big names like PetSmart, Spotify, and Accor Hotels are already on board, using Hightouch to drive personalized customer engagement. It's a big win for Hightouch, signaling strong confidence in their AI-driven approach to marketing. So, what exactly is AI decisioning? Hightouch's co-founder, Tejas Manohar, puts it this way: our vision is to use AI to help marketers break free of manual work. Instead of relying on rigid marketing calendars and static customer journeys, marketers can now simply define their objectives, like increase repeat purchases, and let AI agents handle the execution at a granular, individual level. This means AI is making real-time decisions about which messages, offers, and experiences each customer should receive, based on their unique behavior and preferences. This is a game changer. We're talking about moving away from broad-stroke marketing to hyper-personalized interactions. To understand the full picture, we need to talk about Hightouch's composable CDP. CDP stands for Customer Data Platform. Traditional CDPs centralize customer data from various sources. A composable CDP takes this a step further by offering a more flexible architecture. It allows businesses to pick and choose the specific capabilities they need, integrating seamlessly with their existing data warehouse and marketing tools. This modular approach gives companies greater control and agility in managing their customer data, making it easier to leverage AI decisioning effectively. It is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a customizable platform that adapts to the unique needs of each business. The promise of AI decisioning is personalization at scale. Imagine a world where every customer interaction feels uniquely tailored to their individual needs and preferences. Hightouch argues that this is now possible because AI can analyze vast amounts of data in real time and make intelligent decisions about how to engage with each customer. This goes beyond simply using a customer's name in an email. It's about understanding their behavior, predicting their needs, and delivering the right message at the right time, across the right channel. The potential impact on customer loyalty and revenue is enormous. But this also requires a fundamental shift in how marketers think about their roles. Hightouch emphasizes that one of the primary use cases for AI decisioning is driving customer loyalty and purchase frequency. In today's competitive landscape, it's harder than ever to capture and retain customer attention. AI can help businesses cut through the noise by delivering highly relevant and personalized experiences that resonate with individual customers. By understanding customer behavior and preferences, AI can identify opportunities to proactively engage with customers, offer personalized incentives, and build stronger relationships. This proactive approach is key to fostering long-term loyalty and driving repeat business. Think about it: a customer receiving a personalized offer for a product they've been eyeing, just when they're about to run out. That's the power of AI decisioning. One of the key advantages of Hightouch's AI decisioning platform is its ability to integrate seamlessly with existing enterprise data and marketing platforms. It can sit on top of any data warehouse or CDP and trigger actions across a wide range of marketing and digital channels, including Salesforce, Adobe, Iterable, and Braze. This means businesses don't have to rip and replace their existing infrastructure to take advantage of AI-powered personalization. Instead, they can simply layer Hightouch on top of what they already have. This makes it a more accessible and cost-effective solution for many businesses. This is a huge selling point, reducing the barrier to entry for companies looking to embrace AI in their marketing efforts. Now, let's shift gears and talk about another interesting development in the retail and entertainment space. SumUp, a major fintech player, has just been appointed the official payment processor for the O2, a massive live entertainment, leisure, and retail destination in London. This multi-year deal covers payment processing on-site, including SumUp's point-of-sale solutions and self-service kiosks, as well as sponsorship of payment processing across the venue. This is a significant partnership for SumUp, giving them exposure to millions of visitors each year. The partnership between SumUp and the O2 is all about creating a seamless and convenient payment experience for visitors. By providing a range of payment options, including traditional card payments and self-service kiosks, SumUp aims to reduce friction at the point of sale and improve the overall customer experience. This is particularly important in a high-volume environment like the O2, where speed and efficiency are critical. The goal is to allow visitors to spend less time waiting in line and more time enjoying the entertainment and amenities on offer. This is a smart move by the O2, recognizing that a positive payment experience is a key component of overall customer satisfaction. It's also worth noting that SumUp's partnership with the O2 will dovetail with American Express, the preferred method of payment at the venue. Amex customers will continue to receive exclusive benefits, such as concession offers and access to the American Express lounge. This collaboration highlights the importance of integrating different payment solutions to cater to a diverse range of customer preferences. By working together, SumUp and American Express can provide a more comprehensive and rewarding payment experience for visitors to the O2. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The O2 is a massive entertainment complex that has welcomed over 100 million visitors since opening in 2007. It hosts over 200 events a year, featuring some of the biggest names in music, sport, comedy, and entertainment. The venue is set to host a UK-exclusive residency with Usher, as well as shows from Billie Eilish and Katy Perry. This partnership with SumUp positions SumUp as a key player in the entertainment and retail space, showcasing their ability to handle high-volume transactions in a fast-paced environment. It's a testament to the reliability and scalability of SumUp's payment solutions. Now, let's get back to the core question. What does all of this mean for the future of marketing? On one hand, AI decisioning promises to revolutionize the way marketers engage with customers, delivering hyper-personalized experiences that drive loyalty and revenue. On the other hand, it raises concerns about the potential for job displacement as AI takes over more and more of the tasks that were previously performed by human marketers. The truth is, the future of marketing is likely to be a hybrid model, where AI and humans work together to achieve common goals. But the skills and roles of marketers will need to evolve to adapt to this new reality. Are you ready to adapt? One critical aspect that's often overlooked is the potential for AI bias. AI algorithms are trained on data, and if that data reflects existing biases, the AI will perpetuate those biases in its decision-making. This can lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes for certain customer segments. For example, an AI algorithm might be less likely to offer credit to individuals from certain demographic groups based on historical data. It's crucial for businesses to carefully monitor their AI systems for bias and take steps to mitigate it. This requires a commitment to fairness and transparency in AI development and deployment. We need to ensure that AI is used to create more equitable outcomes, not to reinforce existing inequalities. Another major concern is data privacy. As AI systems collect and analyze vast amounts of customer data, it's essential to protect that data from unauthorized access and misuse. Businesses need to implement robust security measures and comply with all relevant data privacy regulations, such as GDPR and CCPA. Customers also need to be informed about how their data is being used and given the opportunity to opt out if they choose. Building trust with customers is essential for the long-term success of AI-driven marketing. If customers don't trust that their data is being handled responsibly, they're less likely to engage with personalized experiences. Transparency and control are key to building that trust. Beyond bias and privacy, there are broader ethical considerations to consider. For example, how do we ensure that AI is used to create value for customers, rather than simply manipulating them into buying things they don't need? How do we prevent AI from being used to spread misinformation or propaganda? These are complex questions that require careful consideration and ongoing dialogue. Businesses have a responsibility to use AI ethically and to prioritize the well-being of their customers. This means thinking critically about the potential consequences of AI and taking steps to mitigate any negative impacts. It's not enough to simply focus on maximizing profits. We need to consider the broader social implications of AI. Despite the rise of AI, the human element will remain critical in marketing. AI can automate many tasks and provide valuable insights, but it can't replace human creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking. Marketers will need to focus on developing these skills to complement AI and to ensure that AI is used in a way that aligns with human values. The most successful marketing teams of the future will be those that can effectively combine the power of AI with the unique strengths of human marketers. This means embracing lifelong learning and adapting to the changing demands of the industry. Are you investing in your own skills and development to stay ahead of the curve? While some marketing jobs may be displaced by AI, new opportunities will also emerge. As AI takes over routine tasks, marketers will be freed up to focus on more strategic and creative activities, such as developing innovative marketing campaigns, building stronger customer relationships, and exploring new growth opportunities. The role of the marketer will evolve from being a task-oriented executor to being a strategic orchestrator, leveraging AI to amplify their impact and drive better results. This requires a shift in mindset and a willingness to embrace new technologies. Are you prepared to embrace the change and reinvent your role as a marketer? The future of marketing is not about AI replacing humans. It's about AI and humans working together in a symbiotic relationship. AI can handle the data analysis, personalization, and automation, while humans provide the creativity, empathy, and strategic thinking. By combining these strengths, businesses can create more effective and engaging marketing experiences that drive better results. This requires a collaborative approach, where AI and humans are seen as partners rather than competitors. The key is to find the right balance between automation and human intervention, and to use AI in a way that enhances, rather than diminishes, the human experience. This is the key to unlocking the true potential of AI in marketing. Hightouch's composable CDP approach reflects a broader trend towards composable business. Instead of relying on monolithic, all-in-one solutions, businesses are increasingly adopting a modular approach, where they can pick and choose the specific capabilities they need and integrate them seamlessly with their existing systems. This allows for greater flexibility, agility, and innovation. Composable business is about building a technology stack that is tailored to the unique needs of each business, rather than forcing businesses to adapt to the limitations of a single vendor. This is a powerful trend that is transforming the way businesses operate and compete. Are you ready to embrace the composable future? Hightouch specifically highlights agentic AI as a core component of their AI decisioning product. Agentic AI refers to AI systems that can act autonomously to achieve specific goals. In the context of marketing, this means AI agents that can independently plan and execute marketing campaigns, optimize bidding strategies, and personalize customer interactions. This is a significant step beyond traditional AI-powered tools that simply provide recommendations or insights. Agentic AI takes the initiative and acts on its own, freeing up marketers to focus on higher-level strategic tasks. This is a powerful vision of the future of marketing, where AI agents work alongside human marketers to drive better results. We must acknowledge the automation paradox. The more efficient automated systems become, the more crucial human skills are in handling the unexpected exceptions and edge cases these systems inevitably encounter. This means that while AI can automate routine tasks, human judgment and problem-solving skills will be increasingly valuable in ensuring that marketing campaigns are effective and ethical. We need to prepare for a future where AI handles the predictable and humans handle the unpredictable. Are you developing the skills you'll need to thrive in this new landscape? The rise of AI in marketing also highlights the growing importance of data scientists. Data scientists are the experts who can build, train, and maintain AI models. They also play a critical role in ensuring that AI systems are fair, transparent, and ethical. Businesses need to invest in building strong data science teams to effectively leverage AI in their marketing efforts. This requires attracting and retaining top talent, as well as providing ongoing training and development opportunities. Data scientists are the key to unlocking the full potential of AI in marketing. Are you investing in the data science talent you need to succeed? So, what's the takeaway? Hightouch's funding and SumUp's partnership are just two examples of the rapid changes happening in the retail and marketing landscape. AI is poised to transform the way businesses engage with customers, but it also raises important questions about job security, data privacy, and ethical considerations. The future of marketing will be shaped by how we address these challenges and how we harness the power of AI to create value for both businesses and customers. The time to prepare is now. What steps are you taking to adapt to this rapidly evolving landscape? What do you think about the rise of AI in marketing? Are you excited about the potential for hyper-personalization? Or are you concerned about the potential for job displacement and ethical issues? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's have a discussion about the future of marketing and how we can ensure that AI is used in a responsible and beneficial way. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights on the latest technology trends. Thanks for watching.